With affiliate marketing, you can literally make thousands and thousands of dollars every single month. And the best thing about affiliate marketing is that I figured out a way how you can pull this off without paying for any Google ads, any YouTube ads, any Facebook ads, any Instagram ads. You don't have to pay for these expensive advertisements. And I'm gonna tell you guys how you can actually pull this off and get traffic to your affiliate products and services for free. And this way you can actually make thousands and thousands and thousands of dollars every single month. Now, I think that this is probably the best or one of the best ways to make money on the internet right now because for one, you don't have to pay for any ads, right? Secondly, there is no product. You don't have to go and buy any products. You don't have to keep an inventory of products. You don't have to deal with all the hassling, shipping hassles. You don't need to create your own website. This is something that I see a lot of people struggling with. They think that to do affiliate marketing, they need to create their own affiliate website. That is definitely not the case. And I'm going to show you guys exactly how you can pull this out without having to create your own website as well. Now, some other perks that you can get from affiliate marketing is that this works wherever you are in the world. There is no location barrier. There's no location limitation. And you can pretty much do this anytime you want during the days, during the night, after work, before work. So there's also no time limitation. So this is a really flexible way of making money online. And I think this is probably the best way for a beginner to start making money online this year. And fun fact here, guys, when I first started with affiliate marketing, I started with the Amazon affiliate program, and I've paid $0 and 0 cents for ads, a website, or anything to market my affiliate products. But yet I was able to start generating income from Amazon affiliates without any of these things in the first month of trying it, and it didn't cost me anything, and we're gonna be talking about that as well. So be sure to stick around to the very end of this video because this is something that's really exciting, and I want you guys to get all the details here so you can actually go out there, you can start affiliate marketing and literally make some money on the internet without having it costing you anything. Now, if this is the first time you're coming across this channel or seeing me, my name is Eann, and on this channel I talk about ways to make money, ways to save money, ways to invest your money. I talk about bank accounts, credit cards, how to start a business, how to start a side gig, side hustles, just about everything related to personal finance. So if you guys like this type of content, be sure to give this video a thumbs up. I'll really appreciate it. It keeps these free videos coming. Also, be sure to subscribe with the notifications on. That way, you'll be the first to get a notification of when I post new videos on this channel. Now, let's first break down what affiliate marketing is. And simply put, affiliate marketing is when an influencer or just about anyone gets paid a flat commission or a percentage commission on a product that they help to sell. So for example, let's say I'm selling edibles to relieve stress, or there's a company that sells edibles to relieve stress, right? I could go to that company, I could become an affiliate of that company and their products, and then they would say, hey, Eann, you know what? A pack of edibles here goes for $25. And for each person that you refer, or for each person that you get to buy one pack of edibles, we're going to pay you $10 in affiliate commissions. So in this example, if I got 10 people to purchase these edibles, then I would get $100 in affiliate commissions. Now, depending on the company or the affiliate program, this can be a flat amount or it can be a percentage. So for example, if you go on some websites for affiliate marketers like ClickBank, for example, you can find products on there and they're going to give you over 50% in affiliate commissions, meaning that whenever you get someone to purchase this product or this service, you're going to be getting over 50% off that sale, or that's going to be going back to your pocket. Now, earlier on in the video, I said it's got to be the easiest way that you can make money online this year. And the fact is that this is probably the most easiest way because guess what? You don't need to create a website. The company, the product, or the service, they already have the website, they have the product, they have all the marketing materials that you'd need. They already have everything. All you need to do is to get your own custom affiliate link and share your affiliate link with people that are interested in the same products or services, whatever it is. Get them to click on the links, get them to make the purchase. And here's the thing, if they're already looking for a similar product or a similar service, then there's a very high chance that they're going to want to purchase this product or service with your affiliate link. And this is why this has got to be the most easiest way to make money on the internet right now. Now, let's get into how you can pull this off with no experience, no inventory, no website. And let's actually get to the steps now of how we can do this, and I'm gonna go step by step. So again, this is the important part of this video. Be sure to stick around to the end because now we're gonna go step by step on how you can pull off affiliate marketing successfully without spending any money. And that's the important part because yes, you can go out there, you can buy a course, you can pay for ads, you can pull this off, but that's gonna cost you a lot. And actually, you may only be able to just break even with that way of doing this, right? So this free strategy or this free method that you can use right now that I'm gonna be telling you about, you guys can actually make money without spending any money. So number one, you need to pick the right affiliate product. And I watched a couple of affiliate marketing ads and I realized that most of these ads were telling people that they should go and choose a product that they're passionate about. And I think this is one of the worst ideas or one of the worst things that you could possibly do if you're getting into affiliate marketing, because you may be passionate about a product or service, but guess what? That product isn't in high demand. So instead of thinking about what you're passionate about, you should instead choose an affiliate product that's in a niche that pays extremely well, because let's face it, the only reason you're doing this is because you want to make money. Now, secondly, you want to pick a niche that has a lot of people searching for these types of products and services. So you could be passionate about door stoppers, right? Or even garden hoses. But guess what? Not many people are searching for that stuff. So even though you're passionate about it, you're not gonna really make a lot of money because there's just not enough people searching for that stuff, and you're not gonna make a lot of sales and get a lot of commissions from garden hoses or door stoppers. So you want to choose a niche that has a lot of people looking for those products and services, and then you have a higher chance of making a lot more sales on those products. And it's a bit more about working smarter. Don't choose something that you're passionate about. Just choose something that one, will make you more money, and two, a lot of people are already highly interested. Now, I'll quickly give you guys some examples of niches that you should think about getting into. So for one, there is the weight loss or dieting niche. So people are always trying to either lose weight or they're trying to change their physique. So this is kind of like health and beauty mixed together, but that niche does really well. In fact, if you check some affiliate marketplaces, I know on Amazon, for example, the health and beauty niche is one of the top paying niches. And secondly, you want to look at travel as well, and you can become a travel affiliate. This covers airlines, hotels, and just about everything related to travel. That's also another high paying niche. And then you could also look at finance, which should cover how to make money, investments, stock investments, crypto, real estate, just anything related to making money, because that is also another high paying niche. A lot of people are always trying to make money and they're looking at just about every method that they can use to make money. And recently, one of the hottest niches that you can get into is cryptocurrency, or the metaverse, or anything that has to do with NFTs. That's also a very hot niche right now. So these are just a few examples of niches that you can look into. And the point here is you want to do your research and you want to find a niche that has or that pays a lot. So you figure out what niche you want to be in. And number two is you want to figure out what affiliate program or what affiliate marketplace you want to use. So for example, there is ClickBank, which is very popular. You can use ClickBank or you can use Digistore24. And the cool thing here is that, for example, I know that with Digistore24, if you don't have PayPal, they have other means in which you can use to get paid. So there's a marketplace out there for just about anyone, regardless of where you're living. And these affiliate marketplaces are really easy to use. So for example, you can go into ClickBank and let's say you want to get into the health and beauty niche, right? So you could go ahead and you could navigate to that section, and then you'll see all the affiliate programs, and you can also filter by price or ratings, reviews, or how many are selling. And this way you can actually go through, choose a product that you want to sell, and then you can actually get your own custom URL, which you will share. And that way that sale will be tied to you. So that's really all you're doing here. You're simply going in the affiliate marketplaces, whichever one you choose, and you're choosing a product, you're copying your own personalized affiliate link, and that is the link that you're going to be sharing, and this is how you're going to be promoting this product. And once a person uses that link to purchase that product, you get paid your commissions. Now, step number three is how you can get free traffic to affiliate products or your links. And this way you can actually make money without having to pay for Facebook ads, Google ads, Instagram ads, YouTube ads, all these different ads. And this is 100% free traffic. Now, one very good way to get free traffic or targeted traffic to affiliate links is by using social media, for example, Instagram. I'll go into more detail in my affiliate course, which is free, by the way, so you guys can go ahead and check it out. But a really good way to get free traffic is by using YouTube. And you may be saying, well, Eann, I don't have a YouTube channel, so how's that gonna work? And I also don't want to create a YouTube channel, and this is how you can actually pull this off. So you can create what is known as a faceless YouTube channel, and I've done a review on this as well and how this works and how you can make money with this. And with this method, you can actually get paid to drive traffic to your affiliate links. So here's how this works. You can create a faceless YouTube channel, for example, one of the sleep music video channels where they play music videos to help you study or to help you sleep. And for example, if you look at this channel right here, they're getting hundreds of thousands of views every single month. And a good affiliate product for a channel like this would be some sort of sleep medication, for example. So depending on what niche you're in, you can create a faceless YouTube channel and you can post content on that YouTube channel that's related to whatever products or services that you're trying to market. And that way you'll get tons or thousands of visitors. You'll get free traffic. You can also get paid for that traffic as well because YouTube is going to pay you with ads for these videos. So you're actually getting paid twice here. It's a win-win-win situation. Now, I've already covered this in another video in great detail of how you can create a faceless YouTube channel, and you can go out and watch my other video of how you can pull this off for free. And in that video, I talked about where you could get the videos from to post and how to post them so you're not getting into trouble for like copyright and stuff like that. But this has been the best way that I found to get free traffic to your affiliate links and to make sales and to make money all for free. Now, I know you may be saying, well, Eann, this is a lot of work, and yes and no. It's a lot of work in the sense that you're not going out here and you're not doing hard physical work every day. This is really easy and straightforward, but yes, it will take you some time because yes, you will have to create this YouTube channel or this Instagram account, which are free. You need to post content there. And there are also tools that you can use that will do this for you and you can automate everything. But this is how you can get free traffic without having to pay for it. Now, if you guys want access to my free affiliate marketing course, which covers just about everything, consider becoming a channel member so you can get access to that. And actually, an easier way or something else that I think you guys may be able to relate to a lot more is, for example, one of these YouTube channels. So for example, this YouTube channel here, what it does is it reposts viral TikTok videos. So all this person is simply doing is going to TikTok, finding all the videos that people are hyped up about. They use a downloader to download the videos, then they re-upload them to YouTube, and then they give credit to the creator of that video on TikTok, either in the title of the video on YouTube or in the description of that video on YouTube. So you're giving credit to the original owner of the video, and you're posting all these TikToks on this YouTube channel every single day. And this way you get a lot of views. YouTube will actually pay you for these videos or these views on these videos. And you also use this channel with all the viral TikTok videos to funnel traffic to your affiliate products and services. Again, guys, this is a win-win-win strategy. And this now brings us to step number 4. And step number 4 is how to put your affiliate links out there. And so, for example, with this faceless YouTube channel, if you were to create one with these viral TikToks or some other form of content, maybe even sleep music, study music, workout music, whatever it is, you could use the community tab on YouTube and you could go there every single day and you would make a post with a photo that is related to the product or service that you're trying to market, and then you could leave your link there. So you put the link in and a short description, and this way your entire audience, which is thousands of people who are viewing your videos every single day, will get notifications on YouTube to see your posts, and they'll be able to click on your links. And once someone makes a purchase, you'll get paid your affiliate commissions, and this is all done for free. Now, if you already have a YouTube channel or some other form of social media where you have some amount of following on, I wouldn't suggest that you do this on these platforms. I would suggest that you create either a new Instagram account or a new faceless YouTube channel, because you want targeted traffic. So you want the audience that is viewing your content to be the same type of audience that would be interested in your affiliate products. So for example, on this channel, I would never make any community post about weight loss products or health or beauty products, because you guys are interested in making money. If I were to do this on this channel, then I would post links to products that could help you to make money or some other financial products. So you definitely want to do this in a way where you're getting targeted traffic and not just randomly posting it on YouTube or a YouTube channel or Instagram account that has followers or subscribers that aren't really interested in the types of products or services that you're trying to market. So without making this video too long, this is how you can start affiliate marketing to make money right now without it costing you anything, and get sales and get paid commissions. And this works worldwide. Now, if you want the lengthy full course, consider becoming a channel member. Don't forget to subscribe with the notifications on, hit the thumbs up on this video. And with that said, I hope you guys found some value in this video and this content, and I'll see you guys very soon in the next one.